Hey guys, it's Greg out here at Vanguard Motor Sales, and we got one beautiful Mustang convertible sitting right here. She's a 65, it's got a V8 small block under the hood. She is black and beautiful, man. You can see the chrome shining, the emblems looking sweet, the pony in the grill. I mean, just absolutely beautiful. All the reflections in the paint are looking slick. She is gorgeous. You can see those wheels and tires looking slick with the red lines. The style steel wheels. We got the GT emblem on the side. We got the red stripe going down there on the rocker looking good. Then of course the red interior here really sets off the black paint. Just looking beautiful. It's got the Rally-Pac there and the wood steering wheel, the 4-speed shifter in the center console, all the paint on the dash looking good, all the upholstery looking new. Even got one of these little removable cup holders here, armrest. Everybody's used to their cup holders nowadays. You can see there's some speakers mounted back here in the back. All the upholstery's looking like it's brand new. The carpeting's looking brand new. And everything about this car is just off the hook. Black convertible. It doesn't get much better than that, especially being a Mustang, man. Probably one of the hottest cars out there to be a convertible is a little 65 Mustang. Got good looking chrome on the tail light bezels and good looking chrome there on the rear bumper. We'll pop open the trunk here, see what's going on in there. Looks like we got a car cover in there. We got a nice carpeting there on the trunk floor also. Plenty of room in there to put your lawn chairs, maybe a little pup tent. Head down to the beach and have some fun with the convertible. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment. That means we own this little Mustang. So we check it out before we buy it. We check it out when it gets here. We get it up on the lift, take pictures so we can show you the bottom side. We inspect it so we can answer any of your questions. You can call Tom anytime at 248-974-9513 and he'll tell you all about this little Mustang. All right, it is 65 Mustang convertible time. Beautiful sunshiny day to go for a ride in the convertible. Let's head to the ice cream shop. Of course, I'm not eating ice cream these days, so let's go someplace else. Let's go to the beach. Don't need to be tempted by the ice cream store, that's for sure. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can deliver this little beautiful Mustang anywhere in the world. You just call Tom anytime. He answers his phone 7 days a week and just about 24 hours a day. So you can call him. He'll tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. So she's downshifting nice. I can hear the spring on the clutch just a little bit. The great big old return spring on that clutch brings back a lot of memories back in the day. My old Cougar sounded the same way. Tell you what, she's got a nice rumble to her. Going down the road nice and straight. Brakes feel good. The power steering feels good. Now this car does have an electric top on it. So it goes up and down. The switch is right down here. Just a beautiful machine. It's got a beautiful dash in it also. Got the Rally-Pac, and that is an aftermarket radio. Even though it looks like an old school radio, it is an aftermarket radio. Tell you what, this will not be here long. If you're interested in this car, make sure you give Tom a call. It's the right color, it's the right brand, it's the right year. It's a 4-speed car. A lot of fun to be had in this baby. So we're going back to the shop right now where we can put this baby up on the lift, check out the bottom side, and show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your muscle car investment. Everybody loves these little Mustang convertibles. It is hard to find one in this nice a shape. Most of these things stayed in the same family, got handed down to daughter, son, then passed down to another daughter or son. Everybody loved these little cars, baby. She's almost as old as I am, so it's been around for about 57 years. Stick with us, we're gonna put it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath the Mustang now, and as you can see, she's got a new gas tank in her. Looks like it's got fairly new exhaust. The bushings on the shackles look like they're new. We got the Ford 8-inch rear end in this one. Now I rolled it over and counted it. It's right around the 280 gear, and I looked it up. They did have a 280 gear in 65, and it is an open rear end. We've got new shocks here. It says Scott Drake right on them. Now on the brakes, the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. You can see the dual exhaust. Looks like we've got a new fuel line running front to back. The floorboards have been cleaned up and painted with like a bed liner type material. Up front here, we've got a 64 model Toploader 4-speed, all stock, and these were put behind these 289s. We got the stock clutch linkage. Looks like we got some new steering gear here. We got some new lower control arms. Looks like we got new upper control arms. We got new sway bar bushings here. Everything under here is nice and cleaned up, real sharp. And we got disc brakes up front. I forgot to point that out. Looks like the bushings and the radius arms have also been replaced. Now on these tires, these are from Coker more than likely. They're Silvertowns. They're 205/70 14s. What looks like some pretty new style steel rims also, really sharp. I love the Mustang center caps. Now, the pinch weld on this car is in good shape. Definitely great shape for 1965. I see one welded in patch right here. Looks like they welded it in nice, and they did a nice job sealing it up. Out back, I got another set of same tires, 205/70 14s. And again, that style steel wheel looks like it's definitely pretty new, and that center cap looking sweet. Well, let's lower this baby down and look under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got 289 power. It's got the Auto-Lite 4-barrel on there, so that's period correct. We do have the single chamber master cylinder, which is period correct. Looks like we got new shocks here. We got power steering on this car. It looks like it's got a stock appearing distributor and coil. Looks like the battery's brand new also. Solenoid looks like it's fairly new. The paint on the inner wheelhouses is all nice and pretty. The firewall's nice and pretty. The bottom side of the hood's actually painted real nice. I mean, the engine compartment in this thing is real sharp, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this little dream in your driveway.